Hey everybody, this is Steve Monday, Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Wanted to talk briefly about the weather that we're going to see around the county, especially tomorrow. And there's going to be some big impacts that happen indirectly with Tropical Depression Laura. And let's take a look at what we can expect as Tropical Depression Laura starts to move through the area. First of all, where is Laura right now? And as you can see, Tropical Depression Laura really still in the Mississippi Valley area, making its way through the central portion of the country. And as it moves northeast today, it will start to take a turn to the east later in the evening. And as it does that, it will track through Tennessee, Kentucky, into parts of Virginia and West Virginia. And then eventually it will make its way through our nation's capital and off to the Atlantic once again by the end of the weekend. Because of that coming through, there's a low pressure system that's going to usher it through. And as that happens, it's going to have a impact on us and what we can see around the county. So the Storms Prediction Center, what they're showing us is we have the possibility for severe weather around the county, and they've got us as a slight risk. Let's take a look at where we are on this map, just in case you're wondering. So Rowan County is right there inside of that circle I just drew. And that's just in case you're having trouble finding us on the map. So what we can see is some damaging winds and some isolated thunderstorms as we move through the day on Saturday. And we'll take a look at the model data and what it's showing for that and how that can impact us. So here we see this is 9 o'clock this evening, and there is some isolated showers and thunderstorms already around the county by this evening. And as we go through the overnight hours, this is 9, 10, 11, now midnight, at 1 a.m., you see some more isolated showers and thunderstorms moving into the county. 2 a.m., 3 a.m., we get kind of a break around 4, 5, 6. We start to see some more isolated showers move back into the county. 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m. Then we start to see things after 10 become very isolated and scattered as we move through the day on Saturday, and things will start to dry out as we get into the afternoon hours. Let's kind of back this back up now to where we started at 9 p.m. Tonight, and take a look at what I think is going to be the real threat for us as we move through the overnight hours, and that is the wind. And so let's take a look, first of all, at how the wind can be gusting. You see tonight, no real concerns with gust. We can see gust into the low 20s. And then as we go into the early morning hours on Saturday, we start to see things pick up just a little bit as that low gets the remnants of Laura closer to us. So this is now 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. So right around daybreak, we're seeing gusts starting to get into the 30s and into the low 40s as we continue to move through the morning hours. And then all of a sudden by around 1 p.m., we see those gusts start to diminish back down and get into more of what we're accustomed to with the wind and the rain around the county. Again, this is going to be very isolated in terms of rain. For wind, that's going to be the big impact, and we'll continue to keep an eye on that. So stay with us at Rowan County Weather, and we'll keep you updated. But again, no real major concerns with this. We're not going to really get any direct impacts from Laura. Again, these are going to be indirect impacts from a low pressure system that's going to usher Laura north of us and back off to the Atlantic by the end of the weekend. And we'll keep you updated right here on Rowan County Weather. As always, thank you for following, and enjoy your Friday.